Right, starting on the petrol tank today. It's been off to the professionals, had a repair put in here. My good friends over at Metalwork over at Thornaby, hi to them. It's been pressure tested, so we're just giving it a clean up. Want to highlight the bits of brass and copper and then hopefully get a coat of paint on it. So I'm going to start here. Starting to come off now. We're outside because it's a nice day and because of all the mess this looks about quite a bit, so it's nice being outdoors.
With the evening light, cool breeze whispers in my ear, telling secrets, making them clear. Footprints fade as the waves roll in. Laughter echoes with the wind. Feel the beat of the sunset glow. Dancing lights, let the magic flow. Catch the fire in the skies above, burning bright light.
See, there's a few patches that have been put on there and all leaded back in, pressure tested, so we do some coat of primer. So the petrol tank's had a good clean up. We're mounting it from where it was under there to on top. So I'm looking at using the original brackets, which have had a little bit of a clean up. So that rivet there is sort of a nice place to stop, because obviously that arm's going to come back in as the tank goes up. So we'll mark our line in there. And then we want our two holes that are in the chassis there in line. Basically what we want, and then while we're at this stage we can even mark on where the mounts are going to go, which is roughly there and there. Right, let's go and drill the bit of metal. Okay, so we're starting to drill and pilot hole through first. Through. It's just gentle pressure on there. Our pilot holes. Okay, so we're putting our size of drill that we want finished now. Okay, and it's over to the bench for the angle grinder. There we go. Just need another one.
Stars wink as night takes hold. Ribbons of silver, threads of gold. Hold my hand, let's chase the night under the moon's soft light.
With our brackets we've made, you can see we've got our mount in. So now I'm just, that's how much gap I want underneath it so it doesn't rattle on the chassis. So now we're just doing these up. And hopefully we'll be happy. So when I make anything, I tend to just tack weld it, so if it's slightly out and needs adjustment, it's easy to do. So there should be enough on there to hold the tank, I would think. And it's moving across. And that's the first side of the tank with our gap underneath. Okay, so we've got a gap underneath, the tank is basically on there. It needs a bit of a rotation back that way to get it nice and level, and start nipping it up. It's nice to be using the original fuel tank. I'm hoping to make some kind of rack over the top of it for, of course, the big picnic basket. I'll just tighten this big one up on the end, and we'll have a look around and see how it's looking. That's it, held. All happy with it. We'll just tighten up this other side now, just to make sure everything's nipped up nice and even. Not bad for a 100-year-old tank.